Hi everyone, so this is the next part of your challenge. So this is the construction kit and it's pretty easy to use. All you gotta do is take some wires, you got some batteries, connect them up and just be a little bit careful with them and see how you get on with them. I'm going to build a really simple circuit using some wires and a battery, and I'm going to use it just to test to see whether or not we've got conductors or insulators first. So I'm going to use a bulb, and if the bulb lights then the circuit works, and if it doesn't light then it doesn't work. So super easy. There's my circuit, and I might just put another little one here. Then I'm going to start testing out little things like this. So all you do is you take your dollar bill, you drop it in there, and you see whether or not it will work. And that's it. Super simple. Test it out and pop your results into your notes. Best of luck. Oh, and just one more thing. Just be a little bit careful about connecting the wire to the bulb. Okay? So if I connect it in here directly, then you'll see that the bulb lights as normal. But if you notice, the connections have to be made. One has to be connected to the bottom and the other one has to be connected to the side. If instead you wind up connecting it like this, well, now you wind up setting fire to your battery, and fun and all as that might be, you've just short-circuited your circuit. So that bulb is never going to light, and you're not really going to learn much more except how to make a short circuit. So separate that out again. Make sure that you connect in your items carefully in there and connect them up. Test it out to see whether or not your bulb will light or not, and pop your results into your notes. Best of luck, guys.